Achieve excellence and expertise in English. Point number first, polish your advanced grammar. Study grammatical nuances like ellipses, omissions, or of words while keeping meaning clear. Clift sentence example: it was him who called. Advanced conditional structures. Second point number, achieve vocabulary mastery. Learn contextual and cultural vocabulary, slang, informal expression. Study advanced expression and items. Cut to the chase. Get to the point. Through cautions into the wind, take a risk. Expand your knowledge of technical and business jargon of professional setting. Point number third, perfect your writing style. Focus on persuasive writing. Write opinion pieces or speeches that influence readers. Practice academic writing. Write research papers, theses, or analyze essays. Experiment with creative writing, poetry, short stories, or scripts. Learn to edit and proofread your work meticulously. Point 4. Speak like a native. Master in intonation, stress, and rhythm for native like fluency. Point number second. Work on slang and colloquial expression used by native speakers. Engage in public speaking challenges like debates, extempore, and panel discussion. Use items, metaphors, and cultural reference naturally in conversation. Point number 5. Immerse your flow fully in English. Switch your entire media consumption to English. Music, movies, podcast. Use English as your primary mode of communication, even with friends or colleagues. Start thinking and dreaming in English for deeper immersion. Point number 6. Build critical and analytical thinking in English. Analyze literature, speeches, or movies for underlying themes and messages. Debate ethical dilemmas or current events to refine structured arguments. Practice expressing complex ideas clearly and consciously. 7. Engage in real life expression. Travel to English speaking regions or join international communities. Practice in workshop, conferences, or culture exchange programs. Take part in storytelling events or open mic session in English. Point number 8. Master cross cultural communication. Learn about cultural norms and etiquette in English speaking countries. Understand humor, sarcasm, and irony as they vary across cultures. Develop empathy and adaptability when speaking to non native English speakers. Point number 9. Teach or mentor others in English. Share your knowledge by teaching English to beginners to mentoring peers. Conduct workshop or create content to explain advanced concepts. Teaching solidifies your own understanding and highlights area for improvement. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Socrates Academy Mind, where learning English is fun and easy. See you in the next video. Keep learning and growing. Thank you.